Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to check amount of data shared between a specific contact. For this you have to go to setting and go to storage and data and click on manage storage. After you have click on manage storage, you have to go down and you can easily check all contacts amount of data you have shared with all the contacts. If you select one of your contacts, you can easily see the history of data you have shared with one of your WhatsApp contacts, as you can see in the video. You can also delete this amount of data. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.